today I'm installing my MeLe Design Firm's lightweight battery kit. As you can see, this is the stock Motorcraft battery, the one that comes with the Focus ST, and this is the Odyssey PC 680 battery in the MeLe Design Firm's battery box. Super detailed and quality construction. It even comes with its own personalized serial number. It shipped. I ordered it, and from when I ordered it and when it got to my doorstep took like 3 days. So super fast shipping, super awesome customer service, and it's gonna knock like 30 pounds off of the front end of the car. So weight reduction is always a win-win. So yeah, I figured I'd show you guys the massive difference between this huge behemoth and the new lightweight battery. Hey, what's up guys? So I figured I'd give a slight recap of my installation of the MeLe Design Firm's lightweight battery kit that I installed last night. So far so good. I drove it around a bunch last night after I installed it, and I've been driving around a bunch this morning before work, and it's awesome. Biggest things I can tell you right off the bat is that this battery came with, it shipped with over an 85% charge, which is great. Obviously, because people are going to throw it right in and need to crank up their car immediately. And also, you can immediately tell once you first drive off that the front end is lighter, because as you can see, this in America at least, this is the driver's side, and it takes 30 pounds off of the front wheels and the driver's side. So throttle response, initial like acceleration, especially from a roll, is noticeably increased. I know that a lot of people are like, oh, how could that mod make a difference with performance? Trust me, weight reduction is awesome. Because that helps with braking, turning, acceleration, everything. It's just less stress on the car, less load on the car. So but I could definitely immediately tell that the car was lighter and had less of a struggle taking off or accelerating. It felt like the boost kind of hit harder. So that's awesome. The OEM battery was honestly, it was just huge for no reason. So yeah, MeLe Design Firms, your stuff is awesome. I love the serial number. I love the design of the box. It's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Gives me a lot of room to do extra things in here. A lot of clearance. I am running a sound system, a little bit of a sound system, so those of you who run accessories off of your battery, just know that it does work, so you're good to go. All right guys, so it is 21 degrees outside, pretty chilly. Okay, the car is already warm. I've been driving around some this morning, but I figured I would show you all how the car cranks up with the lightweight battery, because I know that is that's a main concern. The operation of the car with a small battery. So here we go. So as you can see, the car cranks right up. I have no issues with anything. Honestly, cranks up better than the stock Motorcraft battery I had in there, and that wasn't an old battery. That was a fairly new battery. I think the batteries that Ford gives us with these cars stock are kind of crappy. So yeah, works just great. Everything's fine. So +1 for MeLe Design Firms. You guys are awesome. Awesome shipping, awesome customer service, awesome American-made quality product. All right, guys.